Another way to finish a seed bead bracelet, create a piece like this one, and when you get down to the end, taper it, and we have another video on how to taper the end of a seed bead project. Add a ring of seed beads as a loop, and on the other end, create a button or sew a button right on there to create a button closure for your bracelet. Or, here's a person who is really thinking in advance, actually created a slot for a button. So with that slot already there, sew on a button, or in this case, I believe this is just the dangle, a drop from a necklace. Get those things out of the dust, get them out there, play with them, and have fun. Thanks for joining me at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. All these great products are available at firemountaingems.com. Happy beading!